Hi there, welcome to Very Vegan with Terry. I'm Terry. I'm so glad you're here. Welcome back. Welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to show you how to do what they call a quinoa Super Bowl. Basically, it's just a pretty decent sized salad with grains and veggies. The main thing I want you to see here is the dressing, and we also put a pate on the top of the veggies. Pate is almost like a creamy deliciousness, source of joy if you ask me. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. The salad itself is pretty simple. It's just going to be spinach, some quinoa, which I cooked last couple days ago because I knew I was going to need a bunch of it this week. So I just made a bunch of it. Some beets. These are gold beets. And I roasted these yesterday because I had another recipe that also called for beets. So I just did those together, save some time. You've got some cauliflower florets and a can of chickpeas. So pretty simple stuff. Like I said, the main thing I want you to see is the pate and the dressing. So let's get started. To do the pate, we're going to take 1 cup of raw unsalted cashews, put those in our food processor, a cup of carrots, 2 tablespoons of red miso paste. Red miso paste is very similar to the white miso paste that we use in soups for your egg drop soups, those kind of things. And 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. We're just going to blend this together until it's smooth. It's not going to be completely smooth. It's going to be smooth-ish, but you get the point. It's actually kind of chunky, not really smooth. I don't know how to get this smooth. It tastes a lot better than it looks. It's actually very, very good. It's very delicious. So I'm going to put that into a bowl. That's the pate. Now let me just wash my hands and we'll do the dressing. Okay, the dressing is actually very simple. It's a 1/2 cup of tahini. Tahini is ground up sesame seeds. It's a 1/2 cup of that. I'm just putting this into a regular bowl. 6 tablespoons of water, 6 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, and 4 teaspoons of rice vinegar. This is going to take a minute or two to stir. It's not going to stir up super quick. The tahini just takes a minute or two to blend up really nice. You can probably also do this in a blender just for speed, but to me it's like you're just dirtying something else, and it's just as easy to just make it in a bowl. And I am going to put this salad together and show you what it looks like completed, and then we can have dinner. All right, this is what it looks like when it's all done. You have a layer of spinach and then quinoa and then cauliflower and then chickpeas, beets, then the pate, and then the dressing, and it's ready to eat. It's great for a hot summer day because you don't have to turn on the oven, and it's nutritious and delicious and wonderful. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked what you saw, hit that like button and subscribe to be notified of future videos. Thank you. Have a great day, and may you know the love of Jesus Christ. A 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder and a 1/2 teaspoon of thyme. Oh dear, it's gonna make the blooper reel. And 4 teaspoons of rice vinegar.